Did you know that the secret to flawless makeup isn't in the makeup itself, but in what you do before you even pick up a brush? Let's travel back in time to uncover the long-held secret of skin hydration. Thousands of years ago, in ancient Egypt, people like Cleopatra knew the power of a well-moisturized base. They used oils and animal fats, not just for skincare, but to create a smooth canvas for their kohl eyeliner and vibrant eyeshadows. The moisture helped the pigments glide on smoothly and stay put under the hot Egyptian sun. It wasn't just about looking good, it was about the makeup lasting and feeling comfortable. Fast forward to ancient Greece and Rome. They prized a natural, dewy complexion. Women would use olive oil and honey masks to deeply hydrate their skin. This wasn't just for a healthy glow. It was a practical step before applying their light makeup, which was often a powder made from ground minerals. Without a hydrated base, the powder would look chalky, patchy, and settle into any fine lines. The moisture helped the powder meld with the skin, creating a truly natural, no-makeup makeup look, long before it became a modern trend. During the European Renaissance, a very pale complexion was the height of fashion. Unfortunately, many of the cosmetics used were harsh and drying, some even containing lead. To counteract this, noble women would layer on rich creams and balms before applying their white face paint. This protective layer of hydration did two things. It helped prevent the damaging cosmetics from directly touching the skin, and it provided a smoother surface, making the thick, paste-like makeup easier to apply evenly. Without it, the result would be a cracked, uneven mess. The 1920s brought the glamour of Hollywood's silent film era. Under the harsh, hot studio lights, makeup would literally melt off actors' faces. Makeup artists of the time, like the legendary Max Factor, realized they needed a better solution. They started using grease paint, but applying it to dry skin was a nightmare. The solution was to slather the actors' faces with cold cream first. This intense layer of moisture allowed the thick grease paint to be spread more easily and blend seamlessly. It also created a barrier that helped the makeup withstand the intense heat, keeping stars looking perfect take after take. The mid-20th century saw the rise of the modern cosmetics industry. As foundations became more sophisticated, so did our understanding of skincare. The cleanse, tone, moisturize routine became a staple. Women learned that for their liquid and cream foundations to look like a second skin, the actual skin underneath had to be plump and hydrated. Moisturizer acted as a primer, filling in tiny imperfections and creating a grip for the foundation to hold on to. This prevented the dreaded cakey look and ensured makeup stayed fresh all day. Today, we have an incredible array of products, serums, essences, hydrating primers, and moisturizers for every skin type imaginable. But the core principle remains exactly the same as it was for the ancient Egyptians. When your skin is dehydrated, it's like trying to paint on a dry, cracked canvas. Your skin, in its thirst for moisture, will literally drink the water from your foundation, leaving behind a patchy, uneven layer of pigment. This is why makeup can cling to dry spots, magnify fine lines, and fade away quickly. However, when your skin is properly hydrated, it's plump, smooth, and supple, the perfect canvas. The water content in your skin cells creates a smooth, even surface. Your moisturizer or hydrating primer then acts as a perfect go-between, creating a slight grip that helps your foundation adhere beautifully. The makeup glides on effortlessly, blends seamlessly, and looks incredibly natural. It won't settle into lines because the skin is too plump for them to be prominent. It won't look patchy because there are no dry spots for it to cling to. And it will last for hours, looking just as fresh as when you first applied it. So, the next time you're getting ready, remember this timeless beauty secret. Take a few extra moments to really hydrate your skin. It's the most important step in your makeup routine, a tradition passed down through centuries. It's the difference between makeup that sits on your face and makeup that becomes one with your skin, revealing your most radiant, flawless self.